Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a recurring first move step across. Now, knowing how to do a first move step across would be really handy, and knowing how to do a recurring first move would be really handy. Links to the clips that teach you how to do those in the description below, so you can go back and look at them if you feel you need to. Assuming you're ready, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard first move step across. So we go back, in, we twist the lady out, guys head over to the left hand side, we bring the left hand up, we pull the lady forwards, the hand goes over the head, guy steps through the archway. This is where it changes. Instead of just bringing the hand down, we actually do the exact thing you do for a step across turn. So we're dropping the hand down, it's coming over to the left, it's going up over the lady, guys step past the lady as she goes around, reaching around, and we rejoin the lady as we would in a recurring first move into the twist out. So we're back in a standard first move position with the twist out. We're going to do a rock forwards and back. So we bring the lady in, but as we twist her back out, we step across into our first move step across position again. We go through the arch again, turn left, dip, turn the lady, chase the lady, arm around the back into our recurring first move. So we go twist, and then we just finish the first move off. Or you could of course do another one and finish off with a step across exit. It's up to you. Okay, so let's go from the other side, though you've pretty much seen it from all the way around already, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, cut across the far side 3, through the arch 4, turn the lady 5, twist out 6, forward 7, prep 8, through the arch 1, turn 2, twist out 3, twist in 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7 and back 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, recurring first move, step across. We go a back, in, cutting across, through the arch, turn the lady, twist out, in, cutting across, through the arch, turn the lady, twist out, in, under and face, return and back, and that is that. Hope you find that one something you enjoy out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that, and the notification bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end of the video, in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds. That'll give you a music video that will have a tune that will be good to dances to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.